someone who is holding on your past? And why is it so difficult to let go of the experience that have caused us pain and suffering? The big problem is people don't know how to let go of their past. In today's video, I'm going to share you 6 tips to move from past for good for your own benefit. Hi, my name is Amol Karale. I am Morning Ritual Miracle and Law of Attraction Specialist. And till date, I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. So now I really request to all of you to make a lot of notes, because these are the 5 powerful tips which will help you to let go of your past. Let's start with the first. The first tip is very important. Turn letting go of the past into a must. You need to let go of your past. See, I have gone through a lot of failure, struggle, challenges. I have gone through a lot of issues on poor self-image, no confidence, mindset, and that past was not really good for me. But the moment I decided in 2018, I want to let go of my past, my life completely got changed. So what you need to do, first you need to identify what's holding you back, what is stopping you. Ask yourself, start writing those things. What are the reasons that you should absolutely must move behind this? Whatever struggle past you're going through, what are the reasons why you should move? Then you can start answering, how will your life change? The moment you change your past and the moment you start living present, how it will impact your life, and how will you feel when you completely change your life and when you forget about your past. The moment you write, you will get a lot of clarity. So first, it's must, no should, you need to let go of your past. Tip number 2, identify your emotional habits. As a human, we all have that emotions, and your emotions are like a muscle. You can train yourself to feel frustrated, sad, depressed, stressed after whenever you go through some challenging situation. I have went through so many challenging situations. I was not enjoying my corporate life. I was in my own emotions and I was not able to control my emotions. Whenever there was anger, or there was a jealousy, or there was a negativity, or when there was a stress. But you need to train yourself so that you can start feeling more passionate, more joyful, more strong, even when something bad happens in your life. And to work on these emotional muscles, it takes some time, because when you take charge of your emotions, you can learn how to let go of your past, and you will start feeling lighter, you will start feeling more free instead of being fearful. Now, how to work on these emotions? The best way to work on your emotions, start doing some empowering rituals, start doing some morning rituals, start practicing some gratitude, start doing some affirmation, do meditations, write your goals, listen to the powerful video The Stranger's Secret. That is a few things which can help you to work on your emotions. That's tip number 2. So identify your emotional habit. Tip number 3, create empowering rituals. As I said, you need to build a powerful morning rituals. Start doing morning rituals. Start with small rituals. I'm not telling you spend 2 hours in this morning ritual, but every day you can start doing few rituals. You can start doing meditation, you can start doing gratitude. The moment you start doing these rituals, you'll start building momentum, which will lead to massive change. Tip number 4, teach yourself to be present. Most of the people, we don't live in present. You must shift your focus. You should be mindful. Remember, the present is the only time that matters. The past does not equal the future. The future only exists in your imagination, which is not real. And the only thing that is real is that is happening right now. And that's why there is nothing more powerful than the human soul rooted in the present moment, free from the past and the future. And you can teach yourself to be present. If you want more joy, more happiness, more fulfillment, more success, engage with your real life, not with your phone screen. Most of the time, we are wasting a lot of time on social media. We get distracted. Instead of that, try to live in a present moment. This will help you to completely let go of your past. Tip number 5, work on your personal growth. If you really want to let go of the past, you should start working on your personal development. You should start working on yourself. See, there is no better time to work on self-growth when you go through some challenges or when you are not able to let go of the past. Focus on learning, improving, start reading books, start learning some new skills, have a mentor in life, have a coach in life. The moment you start working on your personal development, you can easily let go of the past. You need a proper guidance, you need a proper hand holding. Tip number 6, the final tip: surround yourself with positive people. If you are surrounded with negative people, if you are surrounded with those people who always make negative, who always talk negative, who always gossip, it's very difficult to let go of the past. There are some people who will remind you about your past, but we don't want that kind of people in our life. We want only positive people. We want people who can empower us, who can motivate us, who can inspire us. People who are committed to growth and progress. And if you are like with a good network with them, with a good relationship with them, you will also grow and progress. See, as Tony Robbins says, I have learned this powerful quote from Tony Robbins: the quality of a person's life is most often a direct reflection of the expectations of their peer group. It totally depends on your friend circle. Who you surround yourself is who you become. See, till 2018, I had so many negative friends. I have friends who will always bully me, who would always had bad habit. The moment I stopped not giving importance to them, and the moment I started having a great community, having great friends, it completely changed my life. So please understand, your friends, your surrounding, your environment plays an important role. So these are the 6 steps. If you start doing it, you can easily let go of the past. So let me recall again. The first is let go of the past into a must. Second, identify your emotional habits. Third, create empowering rituals. Fourth, which is very important, teach yourself to be present, be mindful, because the past does not equal the future. Fifth, work on your personal growth. And the last is surround yourself with positive people. If you have liked this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, because I am on a mission to transform billions of lives by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.